can orgonite help to calm my children down? And so we had some friends, some neighbors that lived nearby us, and they had a few children, like 3 kids, right?
Yeah.
And so they got one of our family sets with these pendants, right? So they got one of our sets for 5 different pendants for the whole family. And the testimony that we got back from them is that as soon as their children touched the orgonite, like they put the necklace on, or they would even just hold the necklace, they would hold it, and there was an effect that came from it, and it would calm their children down.
Yes. Yeah.
Now this could be wonderful. A lot of people do say that helps. Now we know that a lot of kids these days, they have problems with there's all different kinds of things. There's additives in the food, and there's different reasons why children might be stressed out.
Yeah.
So if you have a child that's like really stressed out or really like hyperactive, and you can't seem to figure out how to get your kid to calm down, orgonite might really help with that.
Yes.
It might really, and that's what we've seen. We've had people that have children, and the children, they just love being around the orgonite. It does something to their mood, and it helps them to calm down and relax and then focus.
Yes.
Especially to fall asleep as well. Some kids have problems like night terrors and things like that. So orgonite can help with that as well.